I joined Fit Body Bootcamp because I wanted to see what I was capable of achieving. I wanted to test my own abilities. I would say I found those abilities and then some. Hi, my name is Natalie Stephan, and I've been a member of Fit Body Bootcamp since July of 2018. So I had begun a weight loss journey about a year prior to joining Fit Body. And, you know, we do what we're told, or at least what we're made to believe. So I did the really low calorie starvation diet, and I did a bunch of cardio, and I lost a lot of weight really fast. And I wasn't toning, and I wasn't feeling strong. I was losing the weight, and I still wasn't happy. I recognized I needed more. I reached 250 pounds, and I was like at 38% body fat. And then when I joined Fit Body in July of 2018, I reached 172, but I was still clocking in at like 32% body fat. And now, 3 years later, after I started really working on my diet and on my fitness, I'm at 168, and I'm at about 13% body fat at the moment. What keeps me coming back to Fit Body is the fact that we're a family, and they have accepted me at every stage of my journey, and they have modified according to every stage of my journey, and they've watched me grow, and they've been there with me through that. That is so cool and so rare. The biggest change for me has been in my composition. I went from like a size 16 to a size 8 is a little bit loose on me now, and that is freedom. That was a pivotal moment in my life because I have never been this, ever. I have struggled with my weight for as long as I can remember, and it really took a toll several years ago. And so for me to reach this point is pivotal and gratifying, and all I can do is just thank my lucky stars that at some point along the way I met people that helped me along this journey and that I stuck with it. I'm so beyond grateful to be here. When you go from motivation to discipline, when it becomes a habit, when it becomes part of your motto, that is beautiful. It's kind of addicting, and you get an endorphin rush and you get a release. It's fun. I never thought I would say that. I have never been the type to say working out is fun. It is a lot of fun.